Hi friends, today I will show you how to find duplicates in Excel. If you are ready, let's get started. First, select the entire Excel sheet by clicking once on the area shown in the circle. Now click on the conditional formatting option above. Hover the mouse over the Highlight Cells Rules option and click Duplicate Values from the window that opens. As you can see, duplicates are colored red. You can adjust the color you want to display for duplicates and non-duplicates in this window. Now I will show you how to delete duplicates. Select the entire Excel sheet by clicking on the same place again. Open the Data tab from the top. Click Remove Duplicates. In the window that opens, I selected the My Data has Headers option because I have a header. If you have a header or headers, select it, then click Select All and then OK. As you can see, duplicate names have been deleted. I hope you found the tutorial video on finding and removing duplicates in Excel helpful. If so, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a good day.